How would you like to take control of your online privacy? Are you tired of expensive VPN subscriptions? Now, you can build your very own VPN server quickly, easily, and at a price you can afford. From author Lin Song comes the book, Build Your Own VPN Server, a step-by-step guide available on Amazon. The author holds a PhD, is a software engineer, and open source developer, and he shares his years of experience and knowledge with you in his book. Build Your Own VPN Server walks you through setting up WireGuard, OpenVPN, and more, even if you've never set up a server before. With Build Your Own VPN Server, you'll learn how to create a secure VPN on the cloud or a Raspberry Pi, even on public Wi-Fi. And with a self-hosted VPN, you'll save money. It works on Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. Build Your Own VPN Server is written in simple, beginner-friendly steps. This guide makes cybersecurity easy for everyone. It's available in multiple languages, including English, Spanish, German, French, Japanese, and Chinese. Order your copy right now on Amazon in Kindle, paperback, audiobook. Build Your Own VPN Server, a step-by-step guide on Amazon.